gotten so compromised.
Hi, sweetie.
I literally have to do
Got another
this
one right here.
just to make sure that I can save my message that I spend my time on goodnight. I've already done a lot of these, and they've
Got the little bluebird. Hi, sweetie. Got another one right here. Got the little bluebird. Hi, sweetie. Got another one right here. Got the little bluebird.
Okay, so we're gonna go and see what happens. We'll see if I keep it. It's the only way I can possibly keep it. Are we better than the Nazis? Or are we just better at hiding? Good night. Mom and Dad. Sweet little birds. I hope they have a nice life. Good night. Did not hit me. They did something weird. So it's worse than the military. Or help them most. And more people don't think they will be helped. Good night. Okay, let's see if it all goes away. The last one I did, it did, which is the sad part. So if we videotape it, maybe it doesn't. And my mom hopes it doesn't. I think it's not. I see that already. And that's the whole thing. If we videotape it, it does. It adds a second layer so they can't come in and hack it, which is unfortunately the problem. So more people think it is. Said absolutely, that's how it works. Good night. So we keep the program busy by making the video. Unfortunately, that's how we have to do it, people. And now we have to put this all the way up. Now we don't have what we did before, and that's the store. So more people think we'll have to do the next one over again on this video. Why? That's the prize, that we can get some more stuff done. Good night.
Here.
And there it is, people. We took it out. As it went up,
Got the little bluebird.
You could see it.
Hi, sweetie.
Now it's not there.
Got another one right here.
That's the whole problem. Every time I make something that's genius, they won't want me to have it. Because what I said was much
Got the little
better
bluebird.
than anything else. Good night.
Hi, sweetie.
And that's why we have to do it over
Got
again.
another one right here.
I do. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to do this, which we should have taken a kiss of this, and we didn't, which was stupid. Tiny screwed up. As we just saw. You didn't do what you needed to. Good night. Now he's understanding how many times you can't do everything right. Because every little detail has to be every single time. Good night. That's what's wrong with Papa. He didn't understand that they were going to kill him. To take his money. That's what they did to your dad. Peter is what had happened to him too. Tanya, all they did is take him out when they exactly wanted him. Good night. I guess you got to have your life that you wanted, however. It's not what he wanted, Tanya. It's not the point. You know that's not who he was anymore. Good night. So I made a mistake. I should have done that with other video, but I didn't. And that's the killer switch. We didn't have to talk about it. Yes, we did. That's what they do every night. All they try to do is take out everything you think day and night out of your phone. Everything is not right. So that everybody knows you cannot fix the world. Goodbye.
Look at the little bluebird.
Sure try.
Hi, sweetie. We got another one right here. Look at the little bluebird.
That's the problem. 10 more people I can't stand it.